San Cayetano is a corregimiento, which means a rural district, in the municipality of San Juan Nepomuceno and the department of Bolivar in Colombia. Located about an hour and 20 minutes from Cartagena by car, it is considered the most populated rural jurisdiction in the department, with a population of approximately 8,000 inhabitants, and it is in the foothills of the Montes de María. Many of the residents in San Cayetano are Afro-Colombians and the descendants of slaves brought to Colombia by the Spanish Conquistadors many centuries ago. The people of this region enjoy cultural roots demonstrated in their food, music, and dance. The culinary traditions, headed by the family matrons, through typical homemade meals such as floured corn buns, stewed pork roast, tripe soups, fried foods, and a variety of sweets. One of the big events in this town is the National Yam Festival, which happens annually every October. It is a demonstration of yams, which are a flagship product and highly cultivated in this town. In addition to the recipes and varieties offered based on this product, artistic and cultural presentations are also held. In addition to being known as the capital of yams, San Cayetano is also known for their traditional pork rinds, served with spicy dishes with chivado chili and costue. The well-renowned local Afro-Colombia singer Petra Martinez exemplifies the indigenous music style of the Caribbean coast of Colombia. She was born in this rural district in 1938. I've included selections of her music in my YouTube playlist.